Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 3, B is 6, C is 9 and D is 27. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. One more request, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can like and subscribe my channel. Okay. Now let's recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power or order of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first if you are going left to right. Either you are using BODMAS or PAMDAS, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now we will go to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket. So we will skip this step here. Now, step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent part or power of number. So here we have this number which has the power. So first of all, we have to solve this one. 3 raised to power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So if we will multiply 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. So the answer is 27 and plus 3 minus 3 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3 we will write here as it is. And again we will give the reference 3 raised to power 3 means equals to 27. Now we have solved this part. Now we have to go step number 3, which is division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what we will do, you have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. First we have 27, 3 minus 3 multiplied by 3. So this part, first we will multiply. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and divided by 3, we will write now as it is. And here we will give the reference 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Now we have to go again left, right and find out which is coming first, division or multiplication. So now we have this division which is 27 plus 3 minus 9 divided by 3 means 3. And here we will give the reference 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Now we have solved division and multiplication. Now we will go for addition and subtraction. So this part we will solve now. So here we have, again we will go left to right and find out which is coming first. So 27 plus 3 is 30 and minus 3 we will write here as it is. And again we will give the reference 27 plus 3 equals to 30. Now move forward, we have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 27. So the answer of the given expression is 27. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.